it goes in closed. It goes 1 and 2. It goes open up 3 and then 4. Do a 2 count prep. Hand stays low. Prep for 5. Open up for count 6. The follower goes into an inside turn and she shapes. And as she does, she goes straight down to the floor. There's da, da, da. When she finishes it off, leader then join in with the right foot. Follower's left foot. We go into 8, 9, and 10 to finish it off there. From here, it's a basic right side pass. We go into a 2-hand trace. Leader's right hand on the shoulder, trace the weight on the follower's arm by count 6. We have a 1, 2, there's trace 3 and 4, 5, and 6. My suggestion is not to grab the follower by the shoulder, open the fingers more so it'll be more of a trace that way so her hand kind of elevates and finishes and fits right into the spot there for connection. Now, from here, think about your basketballs. All they do is they go 1, 2, 3, and 4, they go 5, they go 6, they go 7, and 8. We already have that down. The width, the follower holds the slots. The follower doesn't travel the slot more. So you guys have the connection right about here, at your lower torso. So watch, I have a 2-hand hold. 1, 2, there's 3, and you can already see Jenna's feel that connection now. She'll be filling the space there. So it makes it so much easier to get around her to finish the actual basket. In this case, I'm going to stay locked. Stay locked. So watch how I finish it. I go 1, 2, 3, and then 4, stop on 5. Bring the follower close to my right side of my body. I've got 3 points of contact, okay? Point 1 is my right hand to her left, up against her lower torso. Point 2 is my left hand to her right, up against her lower torso. And 3 is my right thigh, up against my follower's left thigh, okay? Once we're locked, then we're supposed to go. I then do an actual turning count, getting around the follower. Now, it's probably doing a slow motion. I'll break it down in 2 parts. So over here, on this side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, there's a 5. Now watch the 6. It turns the follower around for 6 when she's here. I want the follower to face the slot, not the leader. Leaders, you want to be here. You want to be here facing your follower, kind of perpendicular. Okay, she's holding the slot. Once you're here, get the follower kind of away from you. Shift your weight, meaning that way. She gets around, take your right foot and scoop up and around and send her back where she came from to finish it off for 9 and 10. When the whole thing is done, it's 2-hand holds. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's a 5. There's a 6. There's a 7 and 8, 9, and 10 to finish it off. We extended our count to have more time with the follower in place, going side to side, side to side, and side to side. Count your body position. So I had her here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's a 5. There's 6. Now when I get her around here, I step over and I shift the follower from here to here. I'm going to find her. So I actually bring her back and look for her. Other side, same thing from here to here, look for her. When I'm done, at that point, then get around the follower and finish it off 9 and 10. So I choose for that one from the top. I can go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, there's 7 and 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, there's a 1, 2, 3 and 4, there's 5, there's 6, there's 7 and 8, 9 and 10, perhaps 1 and 2, and 4, 5 and 6, perhaps 7 and 8, and so on, 9 and 10 to finish it off. And as we covered in the workshop, let's hear it for Jennifer. Put your hands together.
Yay!